In this video, I will show how to post a video on YouTube community tab. Click on post and here select video. Search any topic channel and just edit, insert, give any title and post it. So thanks for watching.